Have you ever felt that heart-dropping moment when your phone slips out of your hands and crashes onto the pavement? For a split second, you hold your breath, praying the screen isn't shattered beyond use. In the battle of flagship smartphones, durability is just as crucial as cutting-edge performance. After all, what good is a powerhouse device if it can't survive everyday accidents? Today, we're putting two of the most advanced smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, through a rigorous durability test. These are premium devices, boasting titanium builds and next-gen glass protection. But which one truly stands the test of gravity? Let's find out. Samsung has taken durability up a notch with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, featuring Corning's Gorilla Armor 2, a significant upgrade in scratch and drop resistance. It also sports a Grade 5 titanium frame, making it tougher than last year's model while being 9 grams lighter, an important factor when considering the impact of a fall. On the other side, Apple isn't holding back either. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes equipped with an improved ceramic shield that Apple claims is twice as strong as any other smartphone glass. The titanium frame is now seamlessly integrated with the display for enhanced impact resistance. On paper, both devices seem virtually indestructible. But paper specs don't always translate to real-world durability. Let's start with our first test, the backdrop test. This scenario simulates an everyday accident, slipping out of your pocket or slipping from your hand while picking it up. We drop both phones from waist height on a solid concrete. The iPhone 16 Pro Max suffers immediate damage. Its rear glass shatters, spiderweb cracks radiating across the back panel, with a small crack forming near the telephoto lens. The camera still works, but the damage is significant. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, however, fares much better. Its back glass remains intact, with only minor scuffs along the frame and camera module. Round 1 clearly goes to Samsung. Next up, the corner drop test. If you've ever dropped your phone, chances are it landed on a corner, one of the most vulnerable impact points. We drop both phones from head height on a solid concrete. The iPhone 16 Pro Max takes the hit well. The titanium frame absorbs most of the shock, leaving only minor scuffs. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's rounded corners help distribute the impact force more evenly, although we notice a small spark upon impact. However, neither phone sustains major damage. This round is a tie. Now for the test that makes every smartphone owner cringe, the face drop. This is the ultimate test for screen durability. We drop both phones from chest height, screen first, on a pavement. The iPhone 16 Pro Max takes a hard hit, and its screen shatters extensively, with cracks running across the entire display. It's still usable, but you'd need a screen protector or risk cutting your fingers. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra emerges with only a few minor cracks in the top left corner. Touch functionality remains flawless. This round clearly goes to Samsung again. For our final challenge, we take both phones through an extreme durability test. Repeated drops onto a steel surface to simulate the harshest possible impacts. The Galaxy S25 Ultra holds up impressively, surviving multiple drops before finally cracking on the 9th fall. Despite the damage, the phone remains fully functional. The iPhone 16 Pro Max struggles more, suffering from software issues after repeated impacts. The phone locks up several times, requiring restarts, and a permanent white strip appears on the display. Eventually, the repeated drops lead to performance degradation. The biggest failure comes when the Galaxy S25 Ultra's selfie camera stops working after one too many falls, disabling face unlock and making the front camera unresponsive. So, which phone wins the durability crown? Let's tally it up. In the backdrop test, the Galaxy S25 Ultra clearly outperforms the iPhone, suffering no cracks. In the corner drop, both phones perform equally well. In the face drop, Samsung takes the win again with fewer cracks than Apple. And in the extreme impact test, the iPhone faces software instability, while the Galaxy loses its selfie camera. Despite this, the overall winner is the Galaxy S25 Ultra. With its Gorilla Armor 2 glass and improved titanium frame, it proves to be the most drop-resistant flagship smartphone of the year. If durability is at the top of your priority list, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the better choice. What do you think of these results? Do they match your expectations? Or are you surprised? Let us know in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.